Now, let me see the lateral magnification in spherical mirrors. Very important factor. So, what is lateral magnification? How will you define? The lateral magnification is indicated by the letter of small m. So, the lateral magnification is defined as the ratio of height of the image divided by height of the object. So, the lateral magnification m is written by h prime by h, where h prime is the height of the image and h is the height of the object. Okay, by using the Cartesian sign convention, let me simplify this equation. The lateral magnification formula, it will be derived from the spherical mirrors equation. We already derived the two similar triangles in a ray diagram of spherical mirrors. So by using the first equation, a prime b prime divided by ab is equivalent to pa prime divided by pa. Now we will substitute the proper sign convention factors. We will derive the expression of lateral magnification. What is the value of a prime, b prime? This is the image of the height. So a prime, b prime is the height of the image. It will be in the form of downwards. According to the Cartesian sign convention, the height of the image is in downward direction. You should put the negative sign. So a prime, b prime is equal to minus of h, that is indicated by the h prime, and then AB is the height of the image. It is in the upward direction on the principal axis, so I am going to put it as a positive sign of h. And then what is the value of PA prime? Where it is PA prime, it is measured from the pole and also it is present in the left hand side of the pole direction. So you have to put the negative sign. So PA prime is the value of the distance of the image. So PA prime is the value of V and it is present in the left hand side of the pole. So I am going to put it as a negative sign. And then the value of PA is, what is the value of PA? From the pole, the object A is placed. So this should be indicated by the letter of U. It is also presented in the left hand side of the pole. So now I am going to put it as a negative sign. By substituting these values in the first equation, we will get the simplified version of lateral magnification. Okay, by substituting the values, what is the value of A prime, B prime? A prime, B prime divided by AB is equivalent to PA prime divided by PA. So the value of A prime, B prime is minus of H prime, that is the height of the image, divided by AB is the height of the object. So H is equivalent to the value of PA prime is minus of V divided by the value of PA is minus of U. By simplifying this equation, H prime by H is equal to minus of V by U. Otherwise, it is indicated by the lateral magnification M. So M is equal to minus of V by U. This is the expression of lateral magnification. Sir, can you able to find the lateral magnification by using the focal length value? Yeah, is it possible? So, next I am going to derive the another form of the lateral magnification by using the mirror equation. What is the mirror equation? 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus of 1 by V. In the above equation, the magnification M is equal to minus of V divided by U. Now, I am going to substitute the value of 1 by U. What is the value of 1 by U? 1 by U is equal to 1 by F minus of 1 by V. Now substitute the value of 1 by u in the magnification factor. M is equal to minus of V, 1 by u value is 1 by F, minus of 1 by V. Now I am going to interproduct this equation. M is equal to minus of V by F plus of V by V. Am I right? So M is equal to minus of V by F plus of 1. So M is equal to minus V plus of F divided by F. This will be rearranged. So M is equal to F minus of V divided by F. This is another form of lateral magnification. If you are supposed to use the image distance value, you can use this one. No sir, we have only the distance object value of u. So we can use M is equal to F divided by F minus of u. This is also the another form of the lateral magnification. Very important formula, students. By using lateral magnification formula, M is equal to h prime by h, otherwise M is equal to minus of V by u, otherwise M is equal to F minus of V divided by F, otherwise M is equal to F divided by F minus of u. Thank you.